Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup EV brake service reminders using RepairPal, complete guide step by step clearly. To backup your EV brake service reminders using RepairPal, start by visiting the RepairPal website. Once you arrive at the home page, locate the login option in the upper right corner. If you don't have an account, click on Sign Up to create one. Fill in the required information to set up your account. After logging in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the section dedicated to vehicle maintenance. Here you'll find options for service reminders. Select the brake service reminder from your list of services. If the reminder is not listed, add a new reminder by clicking on Add Reminder. Fill in the details for your brake service, including the next service date and any relevant notes. Be sure to set the frequency for the reminder, so you receive notifications on time. Once all the information is filled in, click Save. Next, you'll want to ensure your reminders are backed up. Look for any export options available within your account settings. If an export feature is present, choose it and select the format you prefer. Download the backup file to your device for safekeeping. If there is no direct export option, consider taking screenshots of your service reminders. Another option is to manually record the information in a secure document. Regularly check back into your RepairPal account to stay updated on any changes. By following these steps, you can easily back up your EV brake service reminders using RepairPal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.